Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about a common problem that many people may encounter. Have you ever struggled with getting your computer system to boot up properly? Perhaps you've been faced with the issue of the screen freezing on the startup logo, leaving you feeling frustrated and unsure what to do next. Well, you're not alone. This could be a pesky problem that many users face at some point. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key here lies in fixing the corrupted startup files that may be causing the issue. By booting in a safe mode and running a system file check, you can identify and repair any damaged files that are preventing your computer from starting up correctly. This solution may sound simple, but it could be incredibly effective in resolving the pesky startup problem once and for all. In addition to running a system file check, another solution to this problem involves using system restore points. By rolling back your system to a time when it was functioning correctly, you can effectively eliminate any recent changes or updates that may have caused the startup problem. This solution is a great option for those who prefer a quick and hassle-free way to get their computer system up and running again. In summary, encountering startup issues with your computer can be frustrating, but there are simple solutions available to help you resolve the problem. Whether you choose to run a system file check or utilize system restore points, you'll be back to smooth sailing in no time. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's video. We always love hearing from our viewers.